Hello and welcome to the Russell Brown Show. I'm here in the amazing Joshua Tree National Park. Look at that scene behind me. Wow. I want to compare 3 different types of small planet photographs captured here with this Ricoh Theta Z1. I'm going to capture one that's very low to the ground, one that's about eye level, and then one that's way up in the sky. Let's go right over here to this amazing bonsai tree and give this a try. Here we go. Okay, in this first shot, notice that I have a really low tripod, just something to hold this just above the ground. I'm now going to go set this up and let's give this a try. I also have my Theta Z1 on a 5-second timer so I can back up. This is going to be my spot. I'm going to put this down. Wow, that's pretty cool. You can see the effect that capturing a really low image can give you. In this next shot, I've got a much taller monopod here with a stand here on the base. Let's see what this looks like. I'm going to set this up in the same spot. Point this in about the same direction. Turn on that timer. Cool. You can see those really change the perspective of the photograph. But there's one final one that we want to see. This is our final shot. I've got the Ricoh Theta Z here at the end of this really long painting pole. With a 10-second delay, I hit the button. Let's see what this looks like. I'm going to stay really close to the pole so I can vanish into the shot. Wow, that is a really striking image. You can now see by comparing these 3 shots, the low shot, the eye level shot, and then finally the shot that's in the sky. So now use this information as you go out and take tiny planet images of your own and get it just right for the scene and setting that you've chosen. There you have it, another episode of the Russell Brown Show here in Joshua Tree.